Here's an interesting Zippo product. I have to say, this is probably the first time I've seen one of these, excuse my cat, listed. And so I got it at, I believe, just under or around $20, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, but there you go. As far as even being authentic, I'm not too sure. I mean, we'll see here. Probably a newer thing. You can see the Zippo, modern Zippo logo on the back. It's a belt buckle. A very shiny USS belt buckle. It looks authentic from what I know. We'll polish it up a little bit. But pretty interesting. I mean, all the paint and the emblems, the front look great. So an interesting Zippo item for sure. But you know, I try to get one of all the weird stuff. I don't even know if this will fit in the bag. Probably won't. Oh no, it might. Oh, it looks like it does. Now that is a nice surprise. Pretty interesting Zippo item for sure. There you go, Zippo military themed belt buckle. Pretty cool.